Welcome. If you want to find and manage sound settings in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 90, at the first you have to go for the settings, and next you have to pick sound and vibration. When you are here, as you can see at the first, we can change ringtone, alarm and notification sound, and also the event sound. So for example, let's change the notification sound. Tap on the icon and then pick the ringtone. You can also go for all ringtones that you have on the device. You can choose the local ringtone from Recorder, File Manager or Music. You can decide if you want to set your own music. But here we get the list of all notification sounds and ringtones that we have on the phone. Let's pick this one and go back. We can do the same with ringtone, alarm and events. Here we can activate or deactivate silent and do not disturb mode. Here we can also customize when we select one of them. Let's go for the regular one and go back. Here we can control media, the volume of the calls, reminder, notifications, alarm, music, games and media by moving these sliders on the left or the right. Right here in this place, we can activate or deactivate vibration for calls in the silent mode, and the same for the vibration on the top. In the additional settings, we can find other sound settings like screenshot sound or delayed sound. You can turn them off and turn them on by tapping on the switchers. And below we can find sound effects. So there we got the present, there's the smart, we can pick music, video, voice, whatever you want. And here we got also headphone remote buttons and assign buttons, but we don't have any headphones connected. As you can see, that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.